حباية طلاب الصف الثالث الإعدادي بواد. Today take the basic definition and concepts. The circle. What is the circle? إيه هي السيركل؟ السيركل is the set of a point of the plane. يعني عبارة عن مجموعة من ال point of the plane. Constant fixed point in the same plane. يعني مجموعة من ال point is the same plane في نفس ال plane. The fixed point دي is the name of center and the constant distance radius. Circle divided the plane three parts. يعني السيركل بتقسم لي البلين from three parts. The first, the sets of the point inside the circle, point M and N and O. The sets of the point on circle, point A و C و B. The sets of the point outside the circle, point D و F و E. Difference between surface of circle and the circumference. The surface of the circle يعني معناها السطح بتاع السيركل is the set of the point of the circle. Point on circle and union the point A inside the circle. يعني the point on circle and union the point in A in circle. But the circumference of the circle is the curve of the circle. يعني the curve of the circle is the name of the circumference. Radius of circle. What's the definition of radius of circle? Is the line segment with one end point on the center and other point on the circle. The line segment represents the radius MB and MC and MF and MD and line segment MA. MB equal MP equal MC equal MF equal MD equal MA. يبقى all radii of the circle are. What is the definition of the chord? The chord is the line segment with two end points on the circle. The chord line segment in AB is the chord. Why? Because join between 2 points on the circle and does not passing the center. AB represents the chord. If the chord passing through the center يبقى become diameter. And then in the B, D is the diameter of circle. Three colors of the circle, first and second and third. If L straight line L passing through the center and perpendicular of AB. What is the make of the chord? بيعمل ايه في الكورد؟ يبقى bisect it. يبقى then AC equal BC. If L second figure, if L passing through the center of the circle and bisect the chord. What do you make of the chord? يبقى then in L perpendicular of AB. If straight line perpendicular of the chord and bisected passes through the center. If the straight line passing through the center of the circle and midpoint of the chord become perpendicular of this chord. Second, if the straight line passing through the center of the circle and perpendicular on the chord is bisect this chord. Third, the perpendicular and bisect the chord of the circle passing through the center. Axis of symmetry of the circle. Any straight line passing through the center of the circle is an axis of symmetry. Any straight line if exists any straight line passing through the center of the circle of symmetry. What is the number of axes of symmetry of the circle? Infinite number. Example, in each the following figure, find the value of the used symbol in the measuring where M is the center of circle. First figure, MA and MB are two radii of the same circle. يبقى then MA equal MB يبقى measure of angle A equal measure of angle B equal 40. يبقى you can find the measure of angle M. Right? Measure of angle M equal 180 minus 40 plus 40. يبقى equal what? يبقى equal 180 minus 80 يبقى become 100. يبقى then the measure of angle M, the value of X equal 100. The second figure, the measure of reflex angles AMB equal 220. If you can find the measure of angle AMB, measure of angle AMB equal 360 minus 220 يبقى become 140. يبقى then the measure of angle AMB equal 140. Since AM equal MB يبقى then the triangle AMB is isosceles triangle. The isosceles triangle the base angles are equal. يبقى measure of angle A equal measure of angle B equal 180 minus 140 degree divided 2 يبقى become 40 divided 2 يبقى then measure of angle A equal what? Equal 20. يبقى Y equal 20. Second figure, find the value of X and Y. MD equal DE and equal ME. Then you can find the measure of angle EDM. Since DM equal DB, then the triangle DAM is isosceles triangle. Measure of angle A equal measure of angle DMA equal what? Equal 20 equal 27. Measure of angle EDM is exterior angle of triangle. The exterior angle equal the sum interior angle except the adjacent. Measure of angle X equal what? Equal 27 degree plus 27 degree equal 54 degree. Then the value of X equal 54 degree. Find the value of y. This is the triangle MDE is isosceles. يبقى then the base angles are equal. يبقى measure of angle MDE equal measure of angle MED. What is the measure of angle MDE? Equal what? Equal 50, 54. يبقى then the measure of angle E equal 50, 54. What is the sum of interior angle of triangle? Equal 180. يبقى measure of angle Y equal what? Equal 180 degree minus what? Minus 54 degree plus 54 degree. يبقى become 180 minus 4 plus 4 equal 8, 5 plus 5 equal 10. يبقى then the result equal 0 minus 8 can't be for 1. يبقى 10 become 2 and this become 7. يبقى become 7 minus 0 equal 7. 1 minus 1 equal 0. يبقى then the result equal 17. Figure 4. Find value of x and the value of y. The two triangle APM and triangle CBM are congruent. Why? Because MA equal MC, MP is the common side, measure of angle PMA equal measure of angle PMC. يبقى then two triangles are congruent. يبقى corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are equal. يبقى then the value of x equal what? The corresponding sides of x equal what? Equal 10 centimeters. What is the value of y? The value of y. This is the measure of angle MPA equal 35. Triangle MPE MBA is a isosceles triangle. Why? Because MP equal ME, two radii of the circle. يبقى then the base angles are equal. يبقى then the measure of angle Y equal measure of angle MBA equal what? Equal 35 degree. Fifth figure, the two triangle AMB and triangle MCD are congruent. يبقى then the corresponding sides are equal in length and the corresponding angles are equal in length. يبقى then the measure of angle C equal measure of angle B equal 50. Only find the value of measure of angle X. MD equal MC. يبقى then the base angles are equal. يبقى measure of angle C equal measure of angle D equal 50. يبقى measure of angle X equal what? The sum of interior angle of triangle equal 180. يبقى 180 degree open brackets minus 50 degree plus 50 degree. يبقى become 180 minus 100. يبقى become 88 degree. يبقى then the value of angle X equal 80 degree. What is the value of Y? Y MP equal MA, two radii of the same circle. يبقى R equal. يبقى then the base angles measure of angle MAP equal measure of angle MPA equal what? Equals 50 degree. يبقى measure of angle Y equal measure of angle B. Base angles of the isosceles triangles are equal. يبقى equal 50. Sixth figure, find the value of x and the value of y. value of x MA equal MD. Then the triangle is isosceles triangle. Then the value of measure of angle x equal measure of angle MDA equal what? Equal 20 degree. Find the measure of angle y. Measure of angle y equal what? The sum of interior angle of triangle equal 180. يبقى the measure of angle y equal what? Equal 180 degree minus open brackets 50 plus 20 plus what? Plus 20 يبقى equal 180 degree minus 50 plus 20 plus 20 يبقى equal 90 degree. يبقى then 180 minus 90 يبقى become 90 degree. يبقى then the measure of angle x equal 20 and the measure of angle y equal 90 degree. Example, in each the following figure, M is the circle complete. First figure, find the measure of angle MAC. Since AC equal CB, يبقى then measure of angle MCA equal 90 degree. Then measure of angle MAC equal 180 minus open brackets 50 plus 9 يبقى equal 180 minus 140 يبقى become 40 degree. يبقى measure of angle MAC equal 40 degree. The second figure, since E is the midpoint of AC, يبقى the measure of angle AEM equal 90 degree. Since D midpoint of AB, measure of angle AM, measure of angle ADM equal 90 degree. What is the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral? Equal 360. يبقى measure of angle DME equal measure of angle DME equal 360 minus open brackets 90 plus 90 plus 6 يبقى then equal 360 minus 90 plus 90 equal 180 plus 60 يبقى 240 degree يبقى subtract يبقى become 120 degree. يبقى then the value of measure of angle DME equal 120. Third figure, if AP equal 8 centimeter, then MP equal what? MP radius equal what? MC perpendicular of AB يبقى bisected. يبقى then the length of CB equal what? Equal 4 centimeter. Using the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of AM. يبقى then PM power 2 equal MC power 2 plus PC power 2 يبقى become 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 يبقى become 9 plus 16 يبقى become 25. يبقى then ال PM take the root of both sides يبقى equal root of 25 يبقى become 5 centimeter. يبقى then the length of MP radius equal 5 centimeter. Fourth figure, find AB. Look at this figure. MX is the perpendicular. يبقى bisect AB using the Pythagoras theorem to find the length of AX. AX power 2 equal what? Equal AM power 2 minus MX power 2 يبقى become 10 power 2 minus 6 power 2 يبقى become 100 minus 36 يبقى become 64. Take the square root يبقى then ال AX equal root of 64. Root of 64 equal 8. يبقى then length of AB equal 8 plus 8 يبقى become 16 centimeter. The fifth figure, AB equal 10 centimeter, then CD equal what? AB equal 10 centimeter. Since AD is the perpendicular of AB but bisect it, يبقى then AD equal DB. Fifth figure, if AB equal 10 centimeter, then CD equal what? MD is the perpendicular of AB يبقى bisect it. يبقى then AD equal DB. What is the length of AB? يبقى AB equal 10. يبقى then 5 centimeter and this 5 centimeter. In triangle AME, measure of angle AME equal 30. The opposite of angle 30 equal 5. يبقى then the hypotenuse of AM equal 10 centimeter. Fixed figure, MC equal MD. Two radii of the circle يبقى then M is the midpoint of CA. MD perpendicular يبقى then D midpoint of AB. Line segment joined between two midpoints of the two sides of the triangle parallel to the third. يبقى then measure of angle CBA equal measure of angle MDA equal what? Equal 9. يبقى then 2x equal 9 divided by 2 and divided by 2 يبقى x equal 90 divided 2 يبقى equal 45 degree. يبقى then the value of x equal 45 degree.